Good morning, students. Today we can start our Unit 3 Field Effect Transistor. In this Field Effect Transistor, we are going to discuss these topics. Construction and operation of, there are types of FET. Field Effect Transistor is called as FET. And there will be some types that we are going to discuss. And this is the topics which we are going to discuss in your third unit. So it is divided into two categories. One is junction field effect transistor and another one is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Okay. So why we have to go for this field effect transistor? So BJT we have studied in unit 2. This BJT will be having two drawbacks. One should be it will be having high noise. That is one thing. And the second one is very low input impedance. Why it is low input impedance? This particular transistor is operating when it is be reverse biased and forward bias condition means the input side will be providing only a lower impedance compared to the output side. So that is another one drawback which leads to the development of the next type of transistors, that is field effect transistors. Okay, so this field effect transistors, what is field effect transistor? It is a semiconductor device. The semiconductor device, there will be, as discussed in the BJT, how far it is different is in BJT it is a current control device. Here it is a voltage control device. That is, the output voltage depends on the input voltage. In the previous case, the output current depends on the input current. Here also the flow of current is through the conduction region is controlled by electric field. So only this semiconductor device or the transistor is called as FET. Okay. Second thing which is different from your bipolar junction transistor is, as the name indicates, bipolar, the transistor or a BJT is a bipolar device because the current conduction is through both the charge carriers, holes and electrons. Here it is some different case. It is a unipolar device. The current conduction is only by the majority carriers. So it is considered to be the unipolar device either through holes or electrons. That depends on the type of the FET. Okay. So the FET is classified into two types. Generally, junction field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This junction field effect transistor itself is divided into two categories. N-channel JFET, that is electrons are majority carriers. Only the electrons are taking a major role in the current conduction. And another one is P-channel JFET. There the holes are playing a major role in the current conduction. So that is your classification, and in your syllabus it is asked given only about the N channel. So we are going to discuss only the N channel paper. So this is the one we are going to discuss. Okay. Similarly, MOSFET. This MOSFET is somewhat different category. There are two other types. One is, see this, depletion mode and the enhancement mode. The depletion mode, enhancements mode are the two types of metal oxide semiconductor device. But junction field effect transistor, we are classifying N channel as P channel, but only operation is in depletion mode. But this depletion mode and enhancement mode again classified as N channel, P channel. Okay. So N channel, P channel represents your base. The total base of the material should be N type and sum of the P type. And in the P channel, the base should be the P type and sum of the N type will be present. Okay. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of FET? It operates depends upon the flow of majority carriers only. So only one current condition is through only any one. So less noise. That is the noise. High noise is the disadvantage of BJT. So it is thermal. So thermal stability means the breakdown doesn't happen as faster in the previous case which we have discussed in BJT. Exhibits high input. So low input impedance is the another one drawback which will be solved by exhibiting high input resistance. Why it is resistance? Z is equal to R plus J XL. What is Z? Impedance. Impedance is approximately equal to resistance without any reactance term. But it is suffering from one disadvantage, that is relatively has small gain bandwidth product, that is BT, bandwidth into time. A comparison with the conventional transistor, that is nothing but your field effect transistor. Okay, so that is about the introduction part. And two things you should remember. One is FET is a voltage control device, and second thing is FET will be it is a unipolar device. The other one is thing is the FET will be operating only in the reverse bias condition. That is very important. Operates the transistor which operates in reverse bias condition should be FET. Okay. So that is about the introduction part. We can discuss each and every topics in your next class. Okay. Thank you all.